Good morning, happy Vlogmas. Oh my gosh, my eyebrows are so dark. I'm like just seeing this. I don't know, I did my, makeup in the bathroom and I don't know. I got a super late start this morning. The sun is just starting to come over the mountain now, which means here it's very, very late in the day. I just did not sleep good this morning and I was really tired, struggled to get out of bed just a little after 8. And so I've had my coffee, finally got dressed and ready for the day. Just getting around to, I have to unload my dishwasher, put my clean dishes away. Still haven't had breakfast yet, so I'm getting a little hungry. I might have something to eat. And then I'm gonna make some bread because my youngest daughter's coming home from college today for Christmas break. I wanna make lasagna and we're gonna make fresh bread. So don't worry, it's not a fresh lasagna though, it's just Stouffer's. So we're just doing Stouffer's lasagna, but I'm gonna make fresh bread for her because when she saw my last video where I made the bread, she was like, Mom, you have to make me some. So I'm gonna do that today. All right. I got this, I keep getting like this weird shadow on my face. Okay, so, oh, sorry, my light is getting in the picture. Keep getting this weird shadow on my face from my window because the sun's coming up and it's gonna, I don't know, it kind of comes up and goes over the sun. Anyway, so I have, I need to get my Christmas dishes out and change those out today. Do a little bit of gift wrapping, light cleaning, make some bread. It's gonna be a really low-key day. And my daughter will be home tonight. Yay, I'm so excited. Super hungry. Before I get started doing anything else, I'm going to make myself a little breakfast sandwich. One second. Oh. Now that I spilled my little breakfast dripped all over the floor when I just did that. And it wiped that up. Oh, okay, got that. Taste test. I'm so hungry. So hungry and look, my egg is squishing out everywhere. Okay, so I'm gonna eat this and then get to it. Okay, I'm gonna get this bread together. I almost spilled my yeast because I already have it opened. All right, let's just tip that there. This bread is super easy to come together. It is a no-knead bread that I just recently learned how to do. I've only made it once, but it came out really great. So beautiful, and who doesn't love fresh baked bread? Okay, flour, I'm gonna go with that's 3 cups of flour. I'm gonna do just a half a teaspoon of salt. I'm gonna add the packet of yeast. I'm gonna whisk that together. I am going to add 1.5 cups of water, and I'm just going to bring it together with the stick end of the wooden spatula. So nice. This came together so good last time, so wish me luck that this is the case this time. So I just use the handle. Nice and together now. Oh, I'm gonna get my dough scraper. Scrape this together. Let's Let's see, I'll just get this off the spoon. So yeah, I'm just gonna cover it with some plastic wrap and stick it in my oven with the light on so it's a little bit warmer in there to let it rise. And it will take, last time it took a little over an hour, I think about an hour and 15 minutes. Cover this up and stick it in the oven. And we'll go ahead and check that about 1 o'clock. And yeah, it'll probably not be ready yet, but I'll probably let it go till maybe 1:30 and then we'll pull it out and bake it. I'm gonna get my Christmas dishes out now while I'm waiting for the bread to rise. I like to stick them in the dishwasher and run them through a cycle before I put them away in the cabinet. So yeah, I'm gonna do that. Let's get them out. Okay, I might have to do a little spider webbing first because that's kind of gross. I just put my hand into a big old spider web. Ew, yuck. Oh my God. I don't know if the camera caught that, but a big old fat huge spider just dropped down. Oh. Ew, I'm scared. Where's my grandsons when I might have to wait for the boys to come home to come get these dishes out. Yeah. I don't know if I'm gonna get these dishes out. That's I don't even know where it went, so I can't kill it. I'm gonna look around a little bit though. I really want my Christmas dishes. I might just settle for Christmas mugs, which are just right there in the front because, you know, I love me my coffee every morning. Christmas mugs would be just fine. So we might skip Christmas dishes this year. Maybe I'll buy Christmas paper plates. Then I won't have Christmas dishes to wash, right? Oh, I hate spiders. It's like a minute. Oh my God. I just found something that I have been missing for so long. I was like, oh, looking inside this wine cup that I have, so cute, right? And I was like, oh, they put a measuring cup inside the wine cup so you can measure how much wine you have. No. This is the measuring scoop to my rice cooker that I have been missing forever. Apparently for at least a year. Maybe longer. I don't know. How it ended up inside this cup is, I don't know. You know, somebody, me or someone else putting away dishes and just went boop. Very fun. I literally thought this was thrown away, but there we are. Now I have another rice scoop for my rice cooker. Yay, found it. All right, I know sitting like this with the sun on my face is, you know, just makes the lighting really bad, but I'm gonna tell you, it's Alaska and we only get a little tiny bit of sunshine here. So I'm gonna let the rays hit me while they're lasting because they're about to disappear here in a little while and then they don't come back till tomorrow. Well, if the sun is even out tomorrow. So it's been very cloudy and snowy and today's the first sunny day in a while. We're coming upon winter solstice, which is the darkest time of year. So I'm going to enjoy these rays of sunshine. So my apologies for the lighting being horrible with the sun. But I love the sunshine. I'm a California girl. I need the sun. Just gonna let this dough rest for a little bit. It's in some parchment paper in a bowl. I'm gonna cover it and let it rest while the oven comes to temperature. I'm gonna put this Dutch oven in the oven while it warms up. I'm gonna put it on 450, and that's what we're gonna bake it at. Oh shoot. My daughter brought me some coffee. I'm gonna wrap this painting. And yeah, that's how much paper we need. We need to cut some of that off, so I'm gonna wrap it in snowman. That should be good on this side. Just cut this piece off. I guess that's where we're cutting it. And we'll hope it fits. Right up the snowman. Finishing up the last of my decorating. Just gonna set this up so I can hang the painting. I am exhausted. I mean, it probably doesn't look like I really did much today, but I started the day out tired anyway, so I'm gonna sit here and enjoy my coffee right now until it's time to start dinner. When I start dinner, I'll clean up my mess because I still left all that wrapping stuff out, and I have to wash my dishes from making the bread. I still have to put all those clean dishes away that I washed earlier, all the Christmas dishes, so yeah. Still got a few more things to do, but I'll do that when I start dinner. But I'm gonna sit here and relax now because I'm tired. Might even close my eyes for a minute. Okay, I think my baby just got home. Let's go surprise her out in the doorway. She's probably gonna be like, Mom, you're blocking me. Hello? 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 I'm saying hello. Hi, baby. Hi, Mom. Yay, you're home. Give me hugs. Oh, we're so cute. Oh, I love you so much. Oh, God. All right, all right. Yay. 4 weeks. I get to be home for 4 weeks before I have to go back. Is that everything, babe? Yeah. Backpack, thing. I don't think I forgot anything. That's a lot of stuff for 4 weeks. Good. I brought my 2 blankets, that's why. Ah, smart. Gotta stay warm. Yay. I'm so happy you're home. I'm happy I'm home too. I just put dinner in the oven. Oh. It takes 2 hours to cook a Stouffer's lasagna. Oh. Yeah. So it's gonna be a while. So it'll be ready when, well, actually Dad will already be home, and then I put it in at 4:30, so it'll be done by 6:30. Yes, student.
Why were you guys watching How Much Mental Health is Worth?
Oh, I was listening to this podcast. These are my new friends on YouTube they're like some 20-somethings that are like, the one main girl, she has like 8 million subscribers on her YouTube channel.
What's she called?
Her name's Alicia Marie.
What's she called?
Alicia Marie.
What's her podcast called?
Oh, Pretty Basic. Yeah. but I'm looking at you, not at my camera.
You're not going to put any of this in, right?
Oh, it's all going in.
All right, Miss Piggy. My friends don't understand why I like Miss Piggy.
Because she's cute and sassy.
Exactly. Awesome.
All right. I guess I'll end out my vlog now because my baby's home. I want to hang out with her. Yeah, so I think I got all my stuff done today. Y'all saw the bread come out of the oven. That's the most special part. So thanks for watching, and you know, it's a daily vlog, so I will see you tomorrow. Bye everyone.